Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, today's video is some more Christmas embellishment ideas. Before the season is over, I figured I'd create some of the stuff that I did create during Halloween, because I know you guys enjoyed when I made the bag toppers and the little fence embellishments. So of course I made them this time around Christmas theme, and I hope you guys enjoyed them and get inspired to create some for yourselves and for your pen pals. So the first ones I'm going to show you guys are the bag toppers, which are right here. And all I used to create that were some paper doilies. I got some red ones. These I had gotten from Michael's about a year ago, and they came in like a large pack with a bunch of different colors, but you can find doilies anywhere. And then I also have these, which are like a fabric. These are also from Michael's, and these were the ones that were clearanced out from the Recollections line that I think kind of got discontinued or just kind of like upgraded. So I used those to kind of do the layering. And then I did two pink, because there's a lot of pink in Christmas this year. A lot of people are using the pastel Christmas theme. And then I did, of course, the traditional red and green. So here's the first one, and this is what it looks like. I just folded over the two doilies together, added some hot glue, and to hold it closed I just have like a little sticker dot in the middle to keep it closed, so that whoever receives it can just pop it open and use it for some packaging. I found these cute little green Christmas flowers in my stash, popped on a little Santa Claus from Target Dollar Spot last year, and this super pretty gold 25 is from Merry Days sticker collection. I think it is the sticker book, the not the sticker book, the cardstock, the 12 by 12. And that's it, you guys. Super easy, simple. And you pop this on one of your little gifts for your pen pals, and it looks extra fancy. Here's one of the pink ones. Did the same thing, kind of the layering with the pink and the beige doily. I added this cute little die cut piece from the Merry Days collection. These little white flowers are from eBay. And then this cute little sticker was from Target last year as well, or I think Dollar Tree. Simple but so cute, and will like make any little bag super pop. And here's the other one. This one is the same as the other, except I put ho 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 right here, which is from the same cardstock stickers from Merry Day. And then the last one is this one, which also has a little cardstock sticker here, the little gingerbread guy, and the little white flower. So those, you guys, are the little bag toppers that I created. The next thing I want to share with you guys are the little fence embellishments. You guys know that I love creating these little embellishments. I made a bunch for Halloween, so of course I had to make some for Christmas. This is the die that I used. I'll have everything linked down below, so you guys can definitely check it out if you don't have it. And this is the die that I used. So I cut out 4. I didn't make too many, you guys, because I'm not really swapping throughout the holidays, so I didn't want to have like a room filled with embellishments and nowhere to go. So that's why I'm trying to keep my embellishments that I show you guys under like 4 or 5, just to not have so many laying around. So here's the first one that I want to share with you guys, and it's the super cute little fence die. I did it in white, and then I put these super cute gold trees that were from, I think, Target last year, or a pen pal sent them to me. So I did the little tree in the background, added some cute little pom-poms to decorate the tree, a little bow, and then we have Santa right here, a cute little elf, and then I put one of these big wreaths that I had in my stash right on the fence, some cute little candy cane puffy stickers, and I absolutely love how it turned out, you guys. I think it looks so cute. You package it up really cute, send it to a pen pal, and I'm sure they can use it as an embellishment on any project that they create. The next one that I created was this one. Same thing, all white fences, the tree in the back. No, I didn't do the little pom-poms, but I did do a little red bow. I have this cute little elf peeking through the top of the fence. This cute little sign with some little Christmas lights that says 12 Days of Christmas. I did some little foam, I don't know if you can see that, but little foam balls just to make it look like a little mountain of snow with some candy canes on top. And then we have a cute little Santa right there. So we have that one. And then I created this one right here And I just put here this cute little Merry Christmas sign. The little girl is from Merry Days die cuts package. This cute little house, I have this little house die. I'll link it down below. It's just a little gold house that I had cut out, and I just placed it in the back, almost like if the house is way back behind the fence. And then some cute little Christmas lights just hanging from the fence, and like she's on her way to go give a gift into the house. So cute. And then the last one, you guys, is this one, which is super festive. Another tree with a cute little bow. These cute little stickers that I found in my stash. It says Merry Christmas with a little gift. We have the little gingerbread guys, the little baby boy, the bigger gingerbread guy. Almost stumbled my words there. And then we have Santa sneaking through there, some stars. You guys, these are so easy and fun to make, and I'm sure that if you share them with your pen pals, they will absolutely love them. Super easy and quick, and they're like in under like 5 minutes you're able to make a whole bunch and get them out. Like, it's super easy. You guys know that I love to make things quick and simple for you guys, not to be here all day long. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos during this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.